Well, hey guys, welcome back to the channel, Black Spruce Country. You haven't seen me in a month, been so busy, but I'm gonna head down to my little off-grid log cabin today. It's a few miles from here. I haven't been there in a while, so I'm gonna check on the place, and then I'm coming back after. I'm gonna pick up my wife, and we're gonna head down and put some grub on. Don't know what she's cooking, but I'm sure it's gonna be good. But it's a hot day here in western Newfoundland, 28 degrees Celsius, what, 84 Fahrenheit. So the wind is up a little bit, keeping it down cool, a little bit cool. So I'm not going to take my side-by-side, and I'm not going to take that. I'm not going to take that. I'm going to take that. WindOne. So stay tuned and watch. Well, we made it a few kilometers, and that thing is quite the little tractor, up hills, down hills, and did not lose power at all. But I went up a couple of hills and I just assisted it with the paddling, but it's pretty cool. I like it. I like what I do like about it. It's got the back rack. Now WindOne has another model with bigger wheels and a bigger seat, and it doesn't have the rack. So they reached out to me. I requested this one. I like that one better, but it has the same fat tires, which I want it for off-road. And I'm also going to take this thing fishing next week as well, so stay tuned for that. But I'll show you a couple of features about it. Fold in, great for camping, great for storage, and back out again. Just lock it in place up here like that, and put the paddles back. There you go. Great mechanism. So what else? What else can I show you about this bike? Well, first of all, let's turn it on. Like I said before, I like the rack. 500 watt battery, and it's turned on now. Features up here on the handlebar. You can go with the power assist or conventional riding. You got your gears here, little button here to turn on, and here's how you go through your gears. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I usually put it on 1, but I'll put it on 0. If you put it on 1 and you accidentally turn the throttle, the bike's going to want to go. And What else we got here? We got a headlight, LED light, and tail light. So turn that off. As you can see, we've used it 52 kilometers. You can change that to miles too. Here's your battery charge. Here's your kilometers. We had it up to 36 kilometers an hour. So my granddaughter put most of that on. I probably put about 15 on, and she loves it. She'll put her helmet on and just go up and down the road where we live. It's a gravel road, so out in the country, so it's pretty safe for her. And yeah, it's pretty cool rig. I like it. WindOne. And I'm going to haul out that battery now, so I'm just going to turn this off again. Turn it off. Raise the seat. Little lever here. And the battery in position, unlock it. Pull it out. Like that. And here's your charging port. It plugs into 110 volt, your wall plug. So, and I think it takes about 6 to 7 hours charging time. So, and you know what, 52 kilometers, we've charged this once, so it tells you how long it'll last. And you know, you're good for at least 50 kilometers on a charge, depending on the hills and the amount of Okay, everybody, we are back at the cabin, and the better half is here now. And so I still don't know what we're having. What are we having?
We're gonna have homemade burgers tonight.
Homemade burgers.
Yep.
Is it moose?
No, not today.
Ah,
Good old food land.
my traditional moose at the cabin is
No.
blown. Anyway. Okay.
Wasn't defrosted.
I'm hungry. We'll get some burgers.
Some burgers.
So you start. You're gonna make them from scratch?
Yes.
Okay. Should be good.
Spices. Barbecue spices. Get our choices. Less fat. Although for the barbecue, it's kind of nice to have the little extra fat there. Oh, come here, you. Oh, that's sticking pretty good. There we go. Fork around, hon?
Ready yet?
Yeah, right. You give me a fork.
I'm hungry.
Can you give me a fork,
Okay, I'll get
please?
a what?
A fork.
Fork.
Yes, please.
Stove out.
Big egg. Oh, this one's pretty thin, this shell. It should have been thick lately. Yeah.
Pepper chef.
Oh, yeah. 3 onion. Well, not my favorite. Actually, I'm going to put a little bit more of that in there. There we go. We're going to go with smoky bacon, smoky barbecue. Actually, better not put too much in that one. The flavor. And then I got the garlic and herb. You got to have garlic.
Barbecue sauce?
That's the barbecue. That's the one I really like. It's hickory and brown sugar. Sweet Baby Ray's. Pretty popular here. Newfoundland.
Stuff is good.
Yeah. I'm gonna add some rolled oats. That's what I use. Some people use cracker crumbs or bread crumbs or whatever. I use oats. Try a little bit at a time. Okay, there we go.
So what are we having with our burgers?
Our all-time favorite.
Oh,
College treat.
that's original.
It says it's original.
Always good though.
Always good.
Craft dinner.
There you go. So it's all kind of stuck together. I left it for a little bit for the oats because you don't want it to be dry, so the oats kind of get a little mushy inside, and it keeps it with the egg. Kind of binds it all together then, so your burgers don't fall apart. There you go. Yeah, this is the fun part. Oh. Want big burgers or? You have big burgers?
Well, enough normal size. Bigger than that.
Bigger than that? That'd be my size.
Okay.
A bit bigger for you. Probably make.
Can't beat these little barbecues. I've had this one now about, I don't know, 10 years for sure. Still working good. There we go. Gonna be delicious. Ooh. Turn it down a bit. Got the gourmet craft dinner.
Oh yeah. Well, gosh, you might have noticed that we haven't been doing a whole lot of videos lately, or my husband hasn't. He's been busy. This time of year is kind of like, well, the last couple of weeks been like the changing of the seasons, kind of the spring into summer, and you know, there's lots of chores to be done around, and sometimes you gotta leave the play till later. So, yeah, but he's getting back at it and trying to get some more videos and that, and we've been busy. You might notice that there's, by the end of this video, you're going to notice that there's no big girl with us. Everything's fine, not to worry. Our big girl is fine. But there's going to be more of her soon. She is having puppies, so we'll figure probably about a week or so.
Brindley, yep. Brindley is bred with
big.
another Cane Corso, Italian Mastiff, but
that's her buddy. His name is Kane.
our
He
good
is
friend,
beautiful.
his name is Kane. He is 140 pounds, pure. And so,
Big teddy bear.
What's the date today?
Today is the 10th?
July
No, 9th?
9. So
Ninth,
she's
yeah.
due July 15. And she is big as a barrel.
Pretty round.
So,
And she's getting a little uncomfortable, and of course it's been hot.
if I
the
think
last
about it,
couple
I'll
of days.
take a quick video of her. And of course, I'll be taking a video of her puppies next week.
Now you'll be on one to see them.
Yep.
That's pretty exciting, but we've been busy. Hey.
Yeah, people have been asking, where are you?
Yeah.
Like we go out around, and a lot of people will recognize me from YouTube, of course. They say, "Where's your videos?"
Which is nice.
I
It's
said,
really
"I'm busy,
nice
man.
to be
I'm
missed
just
and
so busy, and
appreciate it.
I'm not one just to put out a video every week or 2 weeks just because. Got to get a video out. If I got nothing to video, I don't video."
She's a bubbling.
But hoping to do a salmon trip within the next week or 2 weeks. Maybe by myself or my buddy. I might take my motorcycle and deep in the back country here in Newfoundland, and it's an awesome river. So hopefully we'll be successful.
We were out last night too.
We were out last night, last 2
With our
nights.
great
and
friends from
Rose
next
a
door.
couple, and out with our neighbor, and she got a nice sea trout. But no luck.
Yeah. So that last night there was no luck. Well, no, that's not true. I caught one that big.
Oh yeah, you caught one that big.
I was waiting for the mama and the papa. Didn't show up.
I gotta go check the burgers.
Yep.
Okay, ready to flip. Mine.
I think the only thing lame about this meal is the beef.
That's hot.
It started right, but oh well. Some ketchup, some dip it.
Yeah.
Oops. All right. Oh, there's fingies. What? It was a nice evening out there, hey? Oh, wait now. I forgot to put that on top, didn't I? There we go. Nothing fancy here.
Onions and mushrooms. All messed up. It's gonna be a messy burger. Wow.
It tastes better.
But messy. Ready to eat?
That's great. That was good listening for food evening.
Man.
Ready to eat.
Well, here it is. What do you call it? Another gourmet meal at the cabin. Good burger. Gourmet to me, anyway. We'll eat. Talk to you in a bit. No, I'm not doing that. I guess we're done.
I guess we're done.
We're done again, guys. Thanks for watching this short video. Good meal again. And if you like these videos, don't forget what?
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. And we'll see you on the next one. Hopefully not as long as the last one was, but take care. God
You're going to show a little picture of Brindley at the end?
Yeah, we get home. We'll show you a picture video. But anyway,
a little picture.
We'll show you Brindley when we get home.
See you guys.
Hey, Josie. Hey, Josie. Yes, I know.